Good morning. Good morning. I am out here taking some shares in this INDO dip. Picking up just one or two shares. I mean, if it wants to retest the 40, great. But just picking some up around this $32 level, right above the 30s. I liked how it flattened out here and giving a nice little dip here. It may continue going down, but I'm playing small, so I'm okay with it. Pick up one more share here. Yeah. All right. So I got two shares. Average price 32.28. Just entering into this dip, and this is a nice little dip on INDO, and I think it can kind of at least come back up here and test the 42s. What's up, Lori? Um, we got a little bit of time before the open. We'll see how this 30 holds up for it. Using 30 as like a $2 protection there. Opening up higher there though. Okay. Coming down, can I 32.05. Pick up a little bit more down. Oh, popped up too quick. Yeah, just entering in a little bit here. Needs to come down. Can it come down a little bit more for 32.05? Okay. All right, so I picked up a little bit more there. Average price now at 32.17. And I just hold these three shares into the open. I just want to see if it can come back up here and retest this 37. You're looking into EV stocks now. I'm already in BLNK. I entered BLNK. It had earnings coming up. This is my entry on BLNK down here at the 22.47. It's at 25, and I got a $3 follow on it down here that'll follow it as it goes up. I just bought those shares, because I thought that, the charging stations would definitely come in handy during this high oil time period, high oil price time period. All right. INDO going down there and testing that 30 before the open. I like it. We'll see if it can pull back into this up into this range of the 31-ish area. SPY coming all the way back up to the 424. Hmm. See if I can scoop some at 29.25. 29. Actually, I can scoop some at 29. It starts to pop off that thing. 29.80. Will it come back into this range? I'll see. I'll wait. I want to enter all at once. If it wants to go up, it can go up. Oil right now, let me see where oil is. Oil is at the 115. It's right at this whoa. It's right at this level that I had pointed out before, at this 114 level where I thought that it would bounce for a little bit of support. So it's right down here on this 115. And we'll see how it holds this previous top here. But if oil continues to rise, it's it's gonna be at least a little test back up on some of these. Here are the scans for today. I was looking through these scans. All I see is like pharmaceutical companies and things like that, but I really didn't like any of this news to be trading for big moves. Of course, you have 175% gainer up here, but the news, man, is dead to me. Good morning, Donnell, Lori, Lightning Rick, SB. So INDO, we had a flat top up here. Resistance, let's see. Flat top up here of the 87. Then we had some more resistance at pre-market resistance at the 80 and 75. And then we had a little bit of resistance here at the 48. And I want to see if it can pull back up to maybe the 40. Off of this nice dip. Pick up a little bit more there. And just going to be patient now for it to return into these levels. Because the shorts have been winning for what? 1, 2, almost 3, 4 days. And these candles are getting smaller around this area. But we shall see. Wow, 9 ended up 9 ended up going down so much. I caught this entire rip, and now it's all the way back down, almost to that starting level. What's up, Daniel B? All right. So the biggest mover on today is where is it? SBL. And it doesn't look good at all. It's already thrown a whole bunch of wicks. It's one of those stocks, after the hype, it's just one that's up. Let me look at the actual news on it. SBM FM shares of recent IPO Sunshine Barma or Bioform. I don't know why I'm saying Barma. Rise 300% in pre-market. No news to account for the move. No news to account for the move. Look at this. Why? Why? The float is 3.5 million with no news. That's insanity. DRCT was another one. I'm going to take FM off of my scanner. I don't even want to see that trash. Let me see. Where is the remove? Let's see. INDO back up to 30. Nice. So do I want to enter below 30 again? 30, let's see, 30.50. Coming back into that range. Come on, dip down a little bit. Give me a little dip down, buddy. Okay. 30.25 if I can get it. No, I'm not gonna be able to get that. All right, 30. Well, it's coming off of this bottom kind of quick. I'll just let what I got play here and see if it consolidates here and then test up. But it's definitely, what's up, DJ? But I don't think it's gonna give me another. I mean, it is under my entry price, but do I want to enter again here before it, if it's going to come back through this level? I think I do. 30. Well, I got to continue moving it up. Let's see if I can get 30. 30.75. There's a slash down. Okay, 30.25. Can we get another harsh pullback like that? If we can't, oh well, I let what I have ride on this little bottom here. I see 29.60 on the bid, so it can definitely drop back down there. 30.50. Gotta be quicker than that. Can we get that slash down under 30.50? $30.25. See the 30s on the bid. 30 starting to break there. And we see 30.25. Ay. This thing is moving quite, it's kind of like a sticky one to get into. So far, I've only got 4 shares but I want to get under the 30, and I don't know if it's going to give me under 30 again. If it can consolidate in this level, I'll give it time to add to it. JWN coming down. BLNK popped down just a little bit, still well within the green on that one. Entry was 22.47. It's up at 24. So letting it ride. ENSV giving the same moves, but I do like INDO being that higher price. See where the new candle opens on it. There's 30.50 there. Can it do a higher low here, higher than the 28.13? Okay, there's 30.25. I can get better 30.15. Yeah. Let's see if it'll dip one more time. 30.15. All right. Come on. Feel me. It's the last entry I want to do here into this dip. Not getting filled at 30.15. Wow. Okay. Well, did not get the fill there. So I'll cancel that. Kind of watch what it wants to do now. 30.25 coming back into play. 24. Can I pick it up there? Oh, still didn't get the fill there. Very low volume, only 290 shares on this dip. It's gonna leave me right at the 30.15 there. Will not fill. Come on, baby. Okay, finally got the fill there at 30.15. And I'm just gonna let it play now. 5 shares in, so every dollar is $5 if it wants to get back up and revisit some of these levels. But I do like that it does have room back up, and it has kind of made these smaller bars around this level. So resistance we have up here at the 36.01. 36.01 is where I'm looking for it to go to be taken. See if it can break back into this range that it just failed and stay above the 28s. Support line down here at the 28. We have about 7 minutes to the bell. Let me look at what oil is over here doing as well. Oil just hovering around that 114 level. Just giving it time. INDO under 30 now. It's doing the same move as ENSV. $29.50. 29.50 could be another buy here. It's one share at a time. I think I'm gonna try to pick up some at 29.25 now. Come on, get down there again. Ah, okay. No trades. 5 minutes left to the bell. Can't trade it. So let it figure out what it wants to do down here under the 30. Looking for the retest of maybe the 35 on today. If I can get that 29.50. Oh man, I wish I could place a trade right now. 29.50. Come on. No. All right. Man, it's getting the pop. Come on, man. Just stay 25.50. If it can stay under 25.50 to this open, that'll be great. I hope no if you're gonna trade that other stock, that SBFM, we can actually watch that one fall. Cause that one's definitely probably gonna fall. INDO up to 30.50 there. Just playing around. I think it's gonna give the shorts a nice little push back up here to at least the 35. But I was only able to get 5 shares here. And I will be quick to take profits because I don't know if this one wants to stay up. It's already fighting a nice little downtrend, so I'm playing the backside of the move. But I did buy a nice dip here. We got 2 minutes left to the bell. And I cannot take any trades. Yeah, this one is trash. FB up 174% is trash. No reason to be up. They put it in the news that there is no news. All right, 1 minute 30 seconds. It looks like I'm gonna be in the green right at the open, ready to sell. All right, 7 seconds left. Let's see how INDL does here on the open. Does it want to revisit this level up here or what? 30s coming into play. Can I enter one more time here? Not looking likely. Can it dip one more time? Come on and dip, baby. Can I get that one share fill? No. All right, 30, 50. Let's see. 30. No, come back. Come back. I think I may just let what play what I have here for a break back into this range up here. I think people want it up there anyway. So we'll see a little push here and I'll be ready to sell. Okay, there's 30.78, 30.97. It's had plenty of pullback time. It should at least reach like 32.34. Giving it the first couple minutes to make his decision down here though. '30s, 30.25. Testing down quickly. See how far it wants to go. Will it be able to pull up from here? So I'm gonna let that one play. BLNK took a little dip too. Everything taking dips here, but it's okay. SPY took a little dip as well. All right, so we're all the way down here to this little bottom. Can we pull back above the 28, 29s? $28.75. No, no. Well. All right, so it does want to kind of act right a little bit. I may add a share here. Can I get the fill before it breaks? Will it please come back down and fill me? A lot of resistance in this level. Trying to added one right there. Okay, got both fills there. So literally the break of this I'm at 30.99 right now. So as long as it holds this level of 28, I will put a $2 trailing stop on this one and see where it goes. If it can start to lift out of this area. Actually, I don't even need a trailing stop. I'm right here. So I'm okay. Have 7 shares of it. Can we get that explosion out of this level back into the previous level up here? There, woohoo! Let's go, baby. All right, let's cook. Let's go. Where do we want to lock in profit? We got 25 up there in profit. Can we get to that up there to the top of this candle, the high of the 35? Can we get on up there? Looking, waiting, watching to sell. Sell a little bit through here. Let's see. Giving it time. Can we get that 34 up here? Can people get really happy? Looking on the 15-minute as well. Come on, baby. Get that 33.50 broke. Let's go. Giving it a couple seconds. Is it into a halt? halted. INDO halted down here. But definitely gave me the move that I was looking for off of this bottom. I noticed it had 2 days of dipping down. So I am going to go ahead and get ready with my my limit orders here at the 35. Limit order $35. Go ahead and sell like maybe 4 up there. If it can get up there, because this area right here was previous a very hard area for it to break through. So 35, let's say 30, 35, yeah. Break of the 35 here. Give it some time. So I'll sell 2 shares up there at the 35 and hold the 5. Limit order set out there at the 35. So it'll be some nice profit, up 30 bucks on that trade. And I'll be ready to sell manually with the other as well. Let's go look at the ones that were on the top of the watch list. I guarantee you they're doing horrible. Let's see. SBFM. Not doing anything. I'm telling you, man, sometimes they put those things on the scanner just to mess with retail traders. When the real moves are down here happening. And actually, I put some more limit orders up here around that 30. You know what? I'll do it like this. I'll put 1 at 40. I need to recalculate this. 1 at 38. 1 at 37. 1 at 36. 1 at 35.50. So that's how many orders is that? Let me see. Orders 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll be holding 3 shares there after that move up. Let's see, 35.50. And let's do 35.25 as well. 35.25. Sell 1. Okay. So I have a couple of limit orders out there. My risk here is $2, $2 down on these shares, but I think it can get up there to the 35s at least. And let me see when this thing's supposed to be opening here. Halts INDO opening at 9:34, or halted at 9:34. So it should be opening up at 9:39.54, 9:39.54. So we'll see how it does through this through these limit orders. Not expecting the moon here though. My BLNK is going up as well. Nice ripper. I'm up $2.60 per share on that one. Up $2.50 on this one. Let's see where this thing wants to open up. Can it throw a quick wick through all of those limits and leave me with three shares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2 shares. It'll leave me with 2 shares. All right, should be opening up here. That was a 39.54. It may be a longer halt than expected. Maybe a 10-minute halt here. So let me look at that then. What kind of halt is this then? Wow, BLNK going wild for me up there. I like it. Very little volume, but still a very good decision to get into that one while it was low. Come on. So we got 10 minutes. What was the halt time? I think it was 34. So it should be the 44.54. 44.54 is what we're waiting on. But I'm gonna be quick to take profit, go ahead and lock it in, and get on with the rest of my day. Come on now. Gonna open up, man. I could just you know what? I'm gonna decrease some of these since it's going into a longer halt. I'm gonna actually what I'm gonna do is this low here at the 28. Let's see, we got the 30. As long as it holds the 30, I think I'm gonna be okay. But I do want to wait to see how this thing opens. Halted going up very strongly. May end up getting up here to the 37s. I think I'm gonna have to go check. Yeah, I want to take my eyes off of this for too long. But I do know it should be some resistance right in this area of the 35. What y'all think about INDO halting back up? Think it has room all the way up here to the 40s? I don't know, man. We got 1 minute left for the open. I'm definitely gonna put one up there at 40 though. Okay. And I will sell the others manually. Let's see what oil's doing. Is oil back to 117? It got a little bounce. All right, coming up to the 54. We're ready to go. Limit orders already out there. Here we go. Should be opening here. Okay, longer halt. Okay, well, longer than a 10-minute halt there. So now it is getting a little bit scary. Okay. All right, let's go look at this halt. What kind of halt is this? $34. So it's been 10 minutes. Huh. That's crazy, man. So at this point, I'm definitely going to go ahead and put limit orders up here because I don't trust it. Let's see, 37. Yep, and 35. Because I don't know when it's going to open up at this point. Maybe a 15-minute halt or something like that. Oh my goodness, I sold a lot up there. Okay, 5 shares left on it. Let's see if it'll get bought up back over the 36 here, if possible. Come on, get that 36 up there. Come on, stay up. Stay up. Giving it some time. Don't fail me. I will stop out at this 30.48 though. I already took profit. I'm okay. 30.50. 30.50 is my stop. How many shares I got? Yeah, this thing is definitely coming on down. Let's see if it breaks down this 33.60. I'm gonna sell some. Looking for it to get bought up here. Can we get that 35 to start the hold? Giving it some time. Can you be strong over that 35? I'm gonna sell some here. Go ahead and take off some of the risk because I don't want to get caught in a halt down. Can we see the 35s again? Get a nice pop up, and I will sell a little bit more. Okay, taking off some on this. Taking off some. Boy, this thing does not want to sell me out. Can we get that big pop? Continue to try to get out here. Okay, sold one. Gee whiz, this thing is insane to get out of. Can we see? Got 2 shares left. I'm gonna use the 32.50, 32.49 as out here. So I will stop out 32.49. And that order is not going. Oh, okay, gotcha. 32.49. And that will be the trade for the day if it cracks that. Locked in a little bit of profit. But just not seeing that pop back up here. Okay. 33.06. Can we get a huge pop up here? Back over that 34. So still would be $1, pretty much $1 and something worth of profit if it stops me out here. 34 back up there. Can we hold 34? Okay, so definitely this low is a $33. So I'm gonna set it at the $32.99 for an out. $32.99. Okay, so that will be $32.99 from the $30.65, still like $2-3 in the profit. And I'm okay with that if it can't get a pop here. If it breaks the 33, I'm out. Got to pop off the 33. Literally came right to my out. This is why I don't usually put my stop outs on whole dollars and fives and things like that. If it's going to break, I need it to break fully. Right above it. Will you break here? If that 25 starts to hold, it might look good to come back up. $33.25, I mean. There's $33.36. Can we get a pop there? Nice. All right, so now I'll be looking for a new low. It's taking a lot of time. It's probably going to end up cracking down and get me out here, but I'm okay. Took the profit and I'm going to walk away. Getting a little spicy here. Needs to break over the high of the 34 to continue upward. Hey, there's a little pop. All right, so I'll leave my stop in there until it forms a new high. See if we can start working its way up with these last two shares. Every dollar is $2. Taking a lot of time around this 34. I'm gonna bring my stop up to 32 or 33.25 if this thing can start getting up. 33.25 will be the new stop. Let's see what you can do. Hey, there's a little wick. See if you can stay strong. Push shorts out. Yep, looking real weak there. 33.25. I'll at least put one share out there. I may keep one down here on the 32.99. So 32.99. 32.99. Needs to push on through that 34.75 though here. Yep. Okay, I don't like that. So we may get some downwards movement here if it can't break over the body of this 34 again. If it does break over 34, I'm selling. Can you get a body up there? We see wicks. Can you get that body over there? All right, let me go ahead and get ready. 34s. Can we see the 34.25 real quick? 34.25. I'm gonna sell. It's taking some time. There's a 39 there. I don't know why it just didn't get filled. Okay, got my sale right there, holding one share. 35's up there. Okay, nice. So holding one out will be this 33.50. Sell. So got my stop out down here. Letting it play. My risk is already taken care of. Just go ahead and collect profits. If it wants to get shorted down, oh well. A lot of short pressure there. $34.75. Can we see that? Now move this stop up to the 34s. So 34. $34 is my new stop out. Okay. So just locking in a little bit of profit as it goes up because I don't know when this thing wants to clap me. Be moving up to the 34.50 if it can break the 36. It's 80s up there real quick. Let's see that 36. I move up. Can we get that break? Taking a good bit of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and move it to 34.25 just in case it wants to capsize. 34.25 there. $5.40 in the profit though on this little bounce. There we go. All right, 30 what did I say? 35.50. It's my new stop out. Okay, 37s. Okay, 36.25. It's my new stop. 36.25. Right here. All right, 38s. All right, let's move on up to 36. Where I want to move it up to. I'm expecting some resistance here though. So that's why I'm keeping my stop kind of close for this big wick down. Let's see if it can blast up anymore though. Okay, there it comes down. Will it crack me out? Nope. All right, 36. Let's move on up to 36.50 if it can go ahead and launch through that top. If not, I'm out. Okay, 36.50, new stop. If we reach $40, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. All right, 36.75. 39s. If I see $40, I'm just gonna take it. So previous level that it cracked through was the 37.50, which is where my stop should be. 37.50. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's see what it wants to do. Go ahead and take my profit, or not, or not. Let's go ahead and take the profit, dude. Take that profit. Okay, I got out. Praise God. All right, well, that was a little trade right there. Took 32 bucks on that one. Still up on my BLNK trade. So just gonna, take my time and do that. What's up, Dallas? I did not get a chance to look at the chat. I entered INDO. I saw this big old dip down here, and I entered right in this level of right here, and it shot up for me. So I went ahead and took the profit there. It was a $5 rip from the 30. Didn't want to be greedy. I can wait for it to dip again for another entry because it's still low. So that's what I'm gonna wait for, is another dip entry on INDO. BLNK came down a little bit, but it's still okay. Entry down here at the 22.47, and its earnings should be coming out this week or next week. So we'll see if it can finally break over that 25. But yeah, just being patient now for the low, for another low on that one. IMPP got up just a little bit. INDO coming back down to the 36 there. Yeah, I kind of figured it needed to dip back down though. So this original candle was at the 33.50 support. That was a nice move out of there. The thing is, I didn't take big share size. I only took 7 shares down here, but it was a $5 rip, so it was like 30 bucks. I ain't mad at it. Pay me. Oh, let's go and put the resistance up here. Appreciate that, Lori. Yeah, I'm trying to look around for some, a lot of times what I was doing is just trading what was hot. And right now we have stocks that are up 155%, but they're up with no news. So I'm like, okay, well, if that's where they want our eyes to be, why not focus on what's down here? Like INDO, look at this. This is a beautiful play. This is nothing but a big old dip. Big old dip right there. And all we have to do is just wait for a higher low now. Plus, let me look at oil as well. Oil right above that level still, that 114 level that I was watching yesterday for it to stay above. Hustle coming off the bottom too, riding up this uptrend. Not as big of moves though, but still, it may be a grinder throughout the day. INDO running out of volume. Donnell is into IMP P. Nice. Nice little ripper there too. Your entry price average was 519. So you bought this breakout right here of the 5 night this level right here and kind of held it through that. Nice. Wow, INDO trying to hold up this 35. I think it's going to end up breaking it down. They just ran out of volume. Little double bottom right there. If it breaks, it's going to be a nice move back down. If y'all are seeing anything else, let me know and I will check it out. If you have any call outs, right now I've made money on the day. I'm already green, just waiting and watching like a wolf. All right, Ace Spexes. Stop running. And let's actually, I just want to look at the ones that are the so-called top movers on the day, though. Let's see that one. ASTS is one. IMPP, TCBP. EOS is an energy, little cheap energy play. Bumble, I see Bumble has gapped up today. Let's see. BMBL. Oops. BMBL. ISPO, Lori called out. Oh, come on, man. Oh, yeah, that thing. Now, this one's in a dip, too. This one's definitely in a dip. Oh, yeah. I might grab some shares of this one in another dip. I'll wait. I'll wait for it to find a little bottom here. That is a previous mover as well. If you like the larger cap stocks, CCL is up 10%. They got a new captain. That's okay news. They got additional itineraries for 2024. So maybe they're adding some things on the ship. I don't know. INDO back down to 35. I kind of figured it was going to be dropping there soon with a break of that double bottom right there, 35. That's why I wanted to go ahead and get out and let it figure out what it wants to do. It does have this. So I drew two trend lines. I drew one trend line that it was following on the original day. And I drew the other one that was the top of this high down to the pre-market high. I usually don't like to trust pre-market data. Anyway, I just cut it out because it's just misleading. Okay. This one ended up going on down quite heavily, down 15%. No reason to watch it. Shorts are already winning too big. 14% down. DRCT, ISPO. All right, so the previous bottom on ISPO was 1463. I need to look back on the daily chart to see what that is in comparison to everything else. Yeah, Dallas. It just messes. I just realized, like, man, pre-market is messing me up mentally. Something is wrong with me or pre-market. And ever since I've been cutting that out, things have been working out well. But let me go and look at ISPO back on the charts. Let me see ISPO. Woo! It's up there at $100 at one point. This is the yearly chart. This is the monthly chart. This is the weekly chart. So weekly, definitely into a nice dip down here, pretty much back where it started at $13. So there's a little bit of buy range, a little bit of buying range here. I forgot what this company does though. Let me go and look. ISPO. Well, wrong thing. ISPO operates a subscription-based luxury travel company. The company provides affluent travelers or affluent travelers access to managed and controlled portfolio of hand-selected vacation options. Its portfolio includes branded luxury vacation homes available exclusively to subscribers and guests. So the problem is with gas prices going up, this may be a good short, or this may be the reason that it's down so much. Because gas has been eating everybody up, bro. So, yes, it's in a dip, and maybe when gas prices come down, it'll come up, maybe. But I guess this would be a good time to buy it while it's low, while it's at a quote unquote discounted price. But we don't know how long this whole war thing is going to be going on. Will it be 5 years? Will it be 10 years? Will it be stretched out? Will it be something that's over with in the next 2 years? That's one thing that you have to keep in mind too, though. All right, IMPP coming on back down. Okay, INDO needs to hold up that 33. The 15 minutes, so 15 minutes definitely looks odd now. Had indecision, chose its direction hard downwards movement. Nine is holding right on this little uptrend that I had drew for it. I'm wondering, can it get up off of this uptrend? I'll give it a small play and see if it can hold the $4. So risking what? That'll be 40 cents. So getting in a little bit there. Getting in. And I just want to see it hold the $4 on 20 shares. So maybe 50 cents, $10 risk on all of this. As long as it can hold the 4. $3.99 will be my out. Testing right around that 450 level. IMPP making its way up as well. ISPO had a little bit of a dip down. Okay. ASTS, don't really know what that is, but it's moving. It's a little bit volatile. Hustle down here on its dip as well. So can it lift out? I may catch some of these shares here. Give it $1 risk. So I'm catching some shares on this little uptrend that it's got going on here. Okay, so I got 10 of those. 9 was another one that I picked up in this dip. $3.89. So $3.89 is where I want to be getting out on this one. $3.89. Sell down there at $3.89. Hustle, that one getting on up through there as well. See if it can get over this 670. Start to hold these levels right off this trend. Add a little bit to hustle. Get 20 shares for the rip over. Looking for, if this candle goes red, let's see, what's this? Low of the 559. 559. We'll go ahead and cut that one as well. 559 stop. And we'll see which one can go up, which one will cover our losses. Anything else? ELNK. This one hasn't consolidated enough, I don't think. CCL hitting the stop button up there as well. ISPO still ran out of gas there. Bumble still moving up. Okay, so one of you guys is cutting into my money. What are y'all doing? Let's look at what the SPY is out here doing. SPY is making its way back up. See if 9 can formulate a uptrend here or not. Reclaim that uptrend. Hustler trying his best to flip sides on me. Just want to see it hold up this uptrend. So let's see the intraday uptrend here. Had a bottom right here at 390. Hustle coming back up. I said coming off. Which one will catch the most ride? ASTS still going up as well. DR, let me see where oil is doing. Is oil popping back over 118 yet? Not. Let me check on this one. Not yet. It's at 117.11. I see Hustle looks like it wants to come back green out of this dip. Throwing another. So I want to see, can it hold this? I'm just buying on the uptrend. All right, where we at now? Yeah, dead cat bounces only for like momentary gains. You're not gonna get any kind of big crazy things off of dead cat bounces. Now, if you expect the dead cat bounce to continue upward, you may get disappointed very, very badly. Looking for this thing to go ahead and start testing these highs again of the 450. Like I said, I'm trying to really buy low and sell high. Like I'm buying low on a stock that has a reason to go up. Wow, ISPO taking souls here. Wow, look at ISPO go. It was like, hey, I'm going up. Bang. Got absolutely slaughtered. Slaughtered. All right, so DRC. INDO threw a little wick up there. Now it has a downtrend that we can kind of see now on the 15 minute. Let's go look at that downtrend. INDO. Ooh, maybe that's not a downtrend. It might break right through that. It's looking real volatile here, going to the 40. Okay, that was a false breakout there at the 38.79. So let's see what kind of action it does below this. Hustle jumping back up there for me. We'll see. Look at Hustle go. Bought on the uptrend. It's still trending up. So let's see if 9 can do the same thing. 9, wait, where is the trend line for this one? That's wrong. Okay, 9 getting up there for me too. So I'm gonna be getting ready to take profit on 9 as well. That don't look right either. I think I'm going to draw it on this one. This one makes more sense. Okay. So we got our little uptrend on 9. As long as it follows the uptrend, great. It's going to hold those shares. Oh, I'm up 14 bucks on this one. Wow. They threw a nice little wick up there. So I guess oil must be getting pops. Nope. Just these stocks getting pops. So nice little $50 gainer. I'm gonna get ready to take profit here in a little bit, watching 9 and watching these two kind of just do their thing here. I only took 20 shares on this, so just looking to just lock out some nice little lunch money, or rather gas money. Ain't nobody eating no more. Getting a little short pressure, not too worried about that. Looking for those shorts to get pushed out of there. Where did it get up to? It got up to this previous line here. Let's see if it'll go ahead and break the 475s up there. And then just start holding those higher lows. And I'll be moving my stop up as this goes. Or I may end up just locking it out. I mean, no reason to be greedy. Okay. Up to 16 bucks up here. Nice little pump out. And this is why I wanted to keep my eyes on things with a reason to go up, right? Because now, you know, I'm up 80 cents on this share, on this, I said this share, this trade. Let's see if it'll continue breaking. and I need to be looking where I need to take profit as well. The previous area that it struggled at was 487 on this one. Let me also check on the other one. On this one, Hustle, where was your struggle point? Right in this level, right in this area here. So I'm going to go ahead and be looking to take some off of this one. Where's my... Actually, you know what? I'm going to let it form a bottom first, and then we'll see about taking something off. Nine got a nice double top there. Just want to see it hold this uptrend. Okay, let me see. Anything else moving that I like? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm getting some notifications here. Um, Took an L on MULN. Yeah, MULN is red on the day right now. Let me see, MULN. Yeah, MULN. Plenty of volume, just no reason to be up. That's all. We'll see this thing form that higher low that we like to see. Has a little bit of a trend here. Something like that. We'll leave it there. Hustle. Pretty much the same deal. So $1 risk on both of these. Let's see if they can start to consolidate and hold those sevens. Nine, what are you doing? Looking for 9 to start holding that 450 level. Getting down there a little bit. Looking like it wants to re-challenge this previous high of the 455. If it can start holding that, that would be beautiful on this, what is this, resistance up here. Needs to start holding and testing that level of the 450, but stay above. And I'll continue to move my stop up with this uptrend. So if it breaks, then we know, I'm out. But for right now, it needs to be at the 388 and just letting this thing ride. Back up to the 7s on hustle. Dang B, why you going after Dallas, bro? Let him live. Let him live. Chill. It's just a observation, Just an observation. Everybody's opinion and I'm sure he has some type of validation. It may be low float or something that he was looking at on it. And plus, every trade is not going to be a winning trade, so it doesn't matter. SPY is at the 125, looking like it wants to go and well, it actually is already testing this area of the 430s. Market so dry for you today. Okay. Bumble coming on back down. ENSV doing this little thing down here low as well. May give it a play. Nice little energy play. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a play. If it can retake this level of the start testing this 380 something, I think it'll look good. Right now at 350, I'll go ahead and do I want to take a starter position on this one? See, this low is a 284. Yeah, I think well, you know what? This thing is down 14%. I don't know about that one, but these other two are also down, so questionable plays. Looking for this thing to push the highs up here. I think I'm gonna go, yeah, I'll take a stab at this one for it to start reclaiming these, but is this enough dipping for me is the question. Dipped a little bit, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about this one. Still in this nice descending channel. But it is riding this little uptrend if that uptrend is correct. Do I want to take a starter position? I may just get a participation trophy in this one and take 5 shares and let it ride. You know what? What I'm gonna do is if it can get up here and hold the 380s, that's what I'll be looking for. I'm gonna give it that much. Okay, this one's still going up a little bit. So we're just floating around the sevens here. We did form our higher low. So just letting it do its thing. My BLNK still looking good up there. Up $2.50 per share. And everything else, look at that. Pay me 9. Let's go 9. Get out of this dip. Just ride this nice little trend line up. Want to see these things get over, like the 90 MA right now is at the 742 on this 4-hour chart. We'll love to see it above that 742 at some point today. 9 is right at the 90 MA as well. If they start breaking that, oh, it's going to be beautiful. Only reason you know, with this lower price stock of ENSV, I really just, I don't know what it wants to do. It's choppy. It's not really competing with Hustle and 9. So I don't want to waste money on that. Especially if 9 starts to explode here. Explode downwards. But it's going to be choppy anyway. I'm not scared. I got my stop down here at the 4. And on days like this, when it's not the top moving stock, I mean, it can be choppy. But it's just following the trend, you know, overall uptrend. If oil starts popping again, we got a good buy off of the trend line. Just let it ride. You could, Orlando, you couldn't sell because of PDT rule? That's insane. PDT, man. Taking lives. You know, I used to be so scared on these choppy stocks, but you know, choppy stocks can be okay if you get a low buy. At this point, the next level of struggle was at the 362, and I'm not holding down to that. I don't think. Let's see where it's at. 385. Well, just about. SPY continuing to look crazy. I wonder if the SPY starts dumping again, will oil start spiking? you knew you was about to get dropped. It was priced in at open. Yeah. That is not great. What is ASTS's news? Why is it up? Is Space Mobile signs a deal with SpaceX for multiple satellite launches? Shares soar. Okay. I mean, it's not horrible news, but nice. 9 looking better and better. Got up here and tested this high. It just needs to start holding this 450 level. People need to buy it at the 450. Nice. Getting on. Oh, whoa. What happened to Hustle? Whoa. Look at Hustle out there giving me another rip. Up 24 bucks on that one. Ay, ay, ay. Why do we trade Catalyst? Because it's great. Wow. Hustle giving a nice move up there. Up $1.13 on that one. So looking to be locking in profit. And I need to keep my eye on 9 because both of these have the same catalyst. So we shall see. We shall see. Dallas says the first 10 minutes. Wait a minute. Dang B said, let's have 1 minute of silence for One Life. What happened to One Life? Oh, I haven't seen him. Yeah, you're right, Dang B. 1 minute of silence. Orlando said, I wonder why oil and energy are acting as an inverse to the market. Because, whoa, where am I at? Okay, Hustle getting on up there to $8. Nice. So we'll see if it can make another high. 9 though. I'm losing faith in 9. I may go ahead and decrease position size just to kill this one. I'm more interested in Hustle now. Yep, people are pulling their money out. I'm pulling mine too. 5 shares of 9 left. I'll go ahead and take it all. That was a green trade anyway, but I'm more interested in Hustle now. INDO right under the 40. Testing again. So let me get ready to start taking my profit. So what I'm doing is not letting these things run against me. Like 9 coming down like that, I'm okay. I will take, if I am already in a winner, I will kill the loser, especially if it's already green. So let's see if we can get a continued push here on Hustle up this trend. Or will all of them do that pullback? It's crazy how you can see that money move from one ticker to another. Like in a split second, people pulling their money out of 9. That's insane. All right. ASTS. So now we're starting to see who's going to be the #1 on the day. INDO popping through the 40, but not big though. Okay, Hustle, I'm looking to take a little, well, yeah, it's moving quite a bit. It's in this range here. So let me get ready to start selling out a little bit. Got 20 shares in here. I'm gonna lock, whoa, missed that lockout. Lock a little bit out up here. 19 shares left. Can we get that 825? That beautiful 825. Lock a little bit more out. Lock some more out. Taking some time getting through that 10. Lock some more out. Looking for that 825. Let's get that. Locking some more out. Got 15 shares left. Just locking out at the tops. Little struggle right there. All right, can it continue or does it want to pull back? Break of this high, I'll take some too. High of 821, showing some red there, getting rid of some again. 13 shares left. And at this point, my out is right here at the 682. So 682. And I let it form a new new bottom if it can. So I'll be all out right here at the 682, still green though. But did lock some out at the top. Locked out, had 20 shares, locked out 7 shares up there at the top. 683. Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna stop out right there. And let's continue looking around the market for more money. INDO just not giving that rush out like we wanted. So it did gap. Oh, it gap filled. Okay, so it gap filled here on the 15-minute and on the hour chart. So it may be giving a nice pullback here. I may want to take some more off, and I can always re-enter. So I will go and definitely be taking some more up here off. That was a gap fill, so I wanna be pretty much out for another dip. I'll enter back in. I'll play ball again. Get down to 5 shares. Locked in a bunch of profit there. I'm just gonna let that last 5 shares play for participation trophy. But if it cracks down to 735 here, let's just say 725, I'll be out with those last 5 shares. That'll be a $0.25 breakdown. But if it wants to get some more pop into the high, I'll still get my participation trophy. So put my stop in there, right under this previous breakout point. So we'll see how it holds after this gap fill. INDO looking like it's getting heavy. May have to wait on another dip. IMPP also getting quite heavy. What did 9 end up doing? Did it come back up? Nope. Look at that. Glad I went ahead and killed that. That's not looking pretty at all. All right, Dallas. You gonna catch up with us in 2 months? Keep getting better. I'm gonna catch up with you, man. If you ever need to hit me up or anything, the Discord's always out there. If you got some great news or something, you find a stock that has a cure to cancer, please drop it. Oh man. So still getting our participation trophy from Hustle. This 761 here. I'll move my stop up to 750 if it wants to continue up. If not, I'll be looking for another dip. We see INDO making some, it's barely holding up this 40 here. Right under the 40. That's dangerous. Keep an eye on IMPP. See if it breaks out of 6. Where is that? It may. Had a little run up here. It's got some dipping to do though. The previous struggle point was right in here at the 502. And then it has another test point. Let's see, but that's pre-market data though. So 502 right here. Well, I guess up here as well. Let's see, what's this? What's this? 525 area right there. So if it breaks down that 525, where's the next spot? Maybe the $4 for support there. Let's see what Hustle is ending up doing. See, glad I kept a little bit of it. It did not break down yet, so I still get my participation trophy if it wants to go higher. I will definitely be taking up here at the 820 though, because that will be another test of that gap fill area. Okay, let's see if we can get back over the 8s. We're going to take a little bit up here. At this point, we have a low already settled here at the 750 level is where I need to move up to for my stop. 749. I don't like a 5 on there. So 749 I'll drop out. Because it should have just blasted off. But since it's struggling here at that $8 level after the gap fill, I don't want to give back a bunch of profit. INDO coming on down like I thought it would. Look at that. That $40 level became that top. Let me see what the SPY's doing out here. It's like the SPY dropped off of 430. Or no. It's still at 430. Right at it. So this thing breaks down 750. I'll be done with this one. Nine just ran out of steam on me. This one never did get up here to this 380 to hold. So I'm glad I didn't take that trade. Make sure I follow my rules. Come on, man. Load it. AST. What you got going on up here? Okay, so I'm getting some slow loading. Okay, there we go. Wick Nation out here. Okay, so did hold up that 750, and this is one reason I never put it on 50, 25's $quarter levels, because those are huge bounce spots where you can get sold here. Look how close it got to me. 752. And now still get my participation. It just needs to get over this $8. Nice. Okay. So definitely the bottom of this low is 753. I will definitely be out right there. Right before that 750 break, so I can exit before the cascade begins. Got my stop right there. If it struggles here too much. Come on, you got this. You're right there at the $8 and failing. INDO indecision down here right under the 40 again. Just does not have the volume that I'm looking for. Look at the volume has died off. That's crazy. I think it needs to dip some more. Plus we just hit 10 o'clock. So see, IMPP tried once, tried twice. What is it trying to get to? Was this a gap fill or something? Yeah, this was a gap fill. And this gap fill area right here of the 561 is becoming resistance here. Where'd it go? 560s right there. It's gonna have to start holding over that to confirm that it wants to go higher. All right, this one's not looking too great. Come down and break that 753. I'm out before the 750 break. Don't want to get caught in the cascade. $763. Yep, out right there. Let's see if they'll cascade it on through this. This bottom here is a 752. So locked in that profit. Adding to the account. But I'm okay with that trade. Took good profit off of it. INDO not looking healthy anymore. So this IMPP is that 561 gap fill is giving it the business here. Not looking good. May need to dip and retry later on today. I won't be here for that. It can do whatever it wants. I'm okay with what I got today. And okay with just walking away. 9 coming back through that 450 level. Holding that uptrend there. Gap fill all the way up to the 580s. Yeah, I don't like this one either. This one just, it's testing. It got out and got absolutely smushed back down. I don't like this one. Very tight candles to the upside. It may go. I may be absolutely wrong, but I'm okay with that. All right. Well, anyway, locked in $60 today. I played small. I just played small and kept the losses. I don't think I took any red trades today. No red trades. So top one was Hustle with the $5.22 per share. And then it just works its way on down. And this money will be back on the 11th. So yeah. Just walking away with my money. Going to make some more money. That's what it's about, right? Transitioning. All right. So it is 10 o'clock. I don't want to watch these. I mean, if they do something throughout the rest of the day, oh well. If you're gonna continue trading though, be careful. check out frameworkfortune.com, which is where we have our community hosted. We do have a Discord hosted as well. That link is on the frameworkfortune.com website. It's no paywalls. You don't have to pay any money to get onto it. I drop and I will be dropping my watch list. I've been working on these watch lists, and for this time period that we're in, there's no way to future cast a watch list, but things that I kind of see that I like, earnings that I like, stuff like that, I'll post it into the Discord. Other people post. We have cryptos, we have NFTs, whatever you want to talk about, we got a section for you when it comes to investing and entrepreneurship. I think that's it for today. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, you can consider subscribing. I do stream on Twitch and YouTube, so if Twitch is your preferred way, you will still see all of the comments over there as well. All my comments go to Discord, Twitch, and YouTube, so everybody will see what you're talking about. But that is it for me. Just getting ready to close it on down. Okay, got that. All right. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.